What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw and color baby Huggy Wuggy from Poppy Playtime. Let's get started by drawing two large circles for the eyes. We're starting on the top left. Just going to work our way around towards the bottom of the eye and then bring that back up towards the top. Now we're going to leave a small gap and draw the same thing on the right. So start by lining up the top of that circle, bringing that in, coming down towards the same height, and then bend that back up towards the top. Now we want to push the pupils towards the inside of the eye. So let's start on the top left. Just going to draw a slightly smaller circle going all the way around and just pull that up on the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going all the way around, come down, and then bend that up. Now let's add two highlights inside each eye. Starting on the top left, draw a circle going around. Just line that up on the right side. Now on the bottom right, we're going to draw a slightly larger circle. Now I'm going to fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now from here, we're going to move out to the side and add two thick lashes. Starting on the left, curve this out and up. And then we'll taper that back down and in towards the side of the eye. And we'll fill those in black. Now from here, we're going to move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. Starting underneath the left eye, curve this down, and then bend that back up. Let's round out the corners of the mouth. Going all the way around and then bending that in. And it'll connect the bottom with another curve. Let's add a seam across the middle. Starting over on the left, so we go in between the top and bottom lip. Now from here, we're going to move out to the side and draw on the cheeks. Outside the left eye, just going to curve the cheek going out, round this out, and just pull that in. Let's line this up on the right. Going around, down, and then in. Let's add some fur across the side of the head. Starting from the side of the cheek, go out and down, taper that back in. Let's add another point. Going out and then down, and then taper that back in. Now we're going to work our way along the side of the head. Starting back on the left, go out and then up. And then from the end, curve up and in. Now let's add one smaller point. Going up and out. And then taper that back in. Now from here, we're going to add two large points along the side. Curve this out and up towards the top. And then from the tip, curve this down and then in with a short line. And we'll just bend that down. Let's add one smaller point along the inside, going out and then up. Now we want to connect these 2 points with a curve. Coming down the middle, just round this out, and then pull that up on the right. Let's add in the eyebrows. Starting on top of the left eye, curve this up, and then bend that in, line this up on the right, going out, and then down. Let's go back to the center and add in the bow. Starting right underneath the lip in the center, start with a circle. From the side of the circle along the top, curve this up and then out. Move down towards the bottom, curve down and out. And it'll connect the top and bottom with a curve going out and then back in. Let's trace the bow along the inside, just leaving an even spaced gap all the way around. Now let's add the ribbons along the bottom. Starting from the center, underneath the circle, curve out, and then down on the left and right side. Flatten off the ends with a straight angled line, and we'll follow that curve coming back up underneath the bow. Now from the side of the bow, we're going to step out and draw the side of the body. Starting over on the left, just underneath the head, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip. And then from the hip, we're going to overlap the diaper on top. So we're going to step out, curve up the middle, go across, and then down. Let's come straight down the sides. And we'll pull this in and then down, leaving a gap in the center. Let's close off the middle with a straight line. Let's add a large pin in the center of the diaper. Starting over on the left side, start with a straight line coming down. Connect the top and bottom with a half oval, going out and then back in. Now from the top corner, we're going to step down, draw a short line coming in toward the center, leave a gap, continue on the right side. From the bottom, we're going to step up, draw a straight line going all the way out, close off the end with a curve. Now we go back to the inside of these two lines, draw a straight line going across from top to bottom. And then we'll trace the pin along the inside going in behind these two lines. So start along the top, going all the way around, and then back over towards the left. Now we're going to draw on the legs. Starting from these 2 points, draw a straight line coming down towards the heel. Let's go to the left heel, draw a straight line going out towards the edge of the first toe. Now we're going to round up the toe and just pull that back in. Let's stack 2 more toes along the side, starting from the end, going out, rounding out the toe, pulling that in on top, step out and do that one more time, going around, up, and in. Now from the top of the last toe, we're just going to curve the foot, coming across, and just bend that down towards the heel. From the bottom corner of the diaper, we're going to step in, curve the leg coming down and out with a short line. Now you want to add a point of fur, just tapering that back up towards the side, curve down and out on top of the foot. And now we're going to draw on the arms. Starting halfway down the side of the body, curve the arm going out and then down. Let's round up the tip of the thumb and then pull that back up. And now we're going to stack 3 fingers along the side. Starting underneath the thumb, come down, round up the finger, and then pull that back up. And then we'll layer 2 more fingers in behind. Stepping out, going out, then up, go out to the side, curve the last finger going out, pull the arm coming up, and just bend that in underneath the head. Let's separate the wrist from the hand, starting from the outside. We're just going to draw a zigzag pattern going all the way across towards the inside. Now let's go over towards the right and do the same thing. Going up, and then down. And there we have it. There's our drawing of baby Huggy Wuggy. Now let's grab some markers and I'll show you how to color this in. Now the first thing we're going to do is grab our bright blue and fill in the head and the body. Now making our way down the arms and then across the body. Now filling in the legs. Now we're going to grab our red and fill in the lips. grab our bright yellow and fill in the hands and the feet. And then we'll fill in the bow. Now let's grab our darker blue and fill the left side of the pin. And then we'll fill the inside of the pin with this light gray. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw and color baby Huggy Wuggy. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.